Good morning. Hey guys, I am in New York. I've been exploring out here for the last couple hours now. I had the opportunity to get some food, see some spots in Brooklyn, Queens. I'm actually currently staying at a hotel in the financial district. I just arrived yesterday. Today is a new day. It's been raining a little bit today. Temperature has been a bit higher because it has been raining. So actually that's a pretty good deal, but as well, you know, it has been raining, so there's definitely activities I might not be able to do. So with that said, I have a whole list of things that I want to see before I head back home. I have enough time to definitely do all the things that I have in mind. I'm meeting up with one of my coworkers that lives out here too in New York. We're gonna grab some coffee, and then from there I'm gonna continue my tour around the city. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing for today. And I'll put on my jacket first. My outfit is pretty much a comfy fit for now. I might end up coming back later to change for anything that I end up doing later tonight. If not, I might just end up staying with this if I end up doing stuff that's more of walking and more comfortable. I don't want to be there late. I gotta meet up my coworker, and then from there I'll go grab maybe brunch or lunch if it gets to noon. See you guys in a bit. Once I finished grabbing coffee with my coworker, I decided to continue on my journey and took the subway again down to the shops at Columbus Circle. I wanted to see the art display they have this year, stars that hang from the ceiling. From there, I just ended up walking down to the Columbus Circle Holiday Market. Hey guys, I'm back in the room. It was actually raining a bit too much. Hopefully I don't get sick, but yeah, I gotta like change again. This morning I was able to grab coffee with one of my coworkers. He ended up guiding me through the process of how to use my phone to pay for the train. So I ended up taking the train with him today in the morning for the first time. I was a little bit worried that I was gonna end up going the wrong direction, but thankfully, you know, from there I got off and to where I ended up grabbing lunch this afternoon. But yeah, from there I still have a few more spots that I want to see for tonight and record more of the places I'm gonna be seeing later today. And of course, before the night ended, I ended up stopping by Sky Bar Rooftop and Lounge. So if you're anything like me that loves Christmas related things, this is definitely a rooftop to check out and enjoy the Christmas decorations and music. Once I ended up finishing dinner at Blend Astoria, I ended up going down towards Diker Heights for the Christmas lights. It was one of the things on the list to do. It was one of the top places my friends recommended me to go see. It's one of the spots you see most Christmas house decorations compared to most other areas. I really love the decorations on the houses, and it was definitely something I would not miss out. If you're in New York, I would definitely have this on my list.
It's actually pretty long. Angles is that.
Hey guys, another day in New York City. Today I'm going to Cornell Tech. I'm meeting up another one of my coworkers that actually lives and goes to Cornell. I have a meeting with him at 2 to meet up with one of his professors who's actually is an interactive designer, so I was really eager to actually meet her. So I thought, since I'm here in New York, network around as well. From there, just kind of go along with the rest of the day. I'm excited. It's finally a sunny day. It's actually not raining today. I hate the cold, and actually I just can't stand it, but I've been loving it so far out here. My coworkers, everyone has been just introducing me to amazing spots, amazing places, and amazing so far. So we'll see with the rest of my day. I'm about to head out to Cornell Tech it is. Currently at the Brooklyn Bridge.
We got 20. I did it. I sent it.
Like here.
was in the area, I ended up stopping by at Frosty's, which was also one of the things on my list. It was actually on the top of my list of places I really wanted to check out, particularly because it's Christmas season and they typically decorate the bar with really nice Christmas decorations, and I wasn't gonna miss out. I would say it was a bit pricey, so there was a $30 charge entrance fee per person, and once inside, it was quite expensive for drinks and any type of appetizers or food. So that was definitely one of the cons. But other than that, I would say that I love the vibe, I love the music, I love the whole environment in general. It was very nice. So at least, if I would say, at least I would recommend for people to check it out once and go. It's definitely worth the visit. I really enjoyed it. After the museum, I stopped by at Kobacha, and honestly, I could say that I had one of the best burritos I've had in a very long time.
Thank you.
So today is actually my last day in New York City. So I ended up booking an Uber back to the airport. I'll also take the subway there. I would have definitely have struggled because a lot of these subway stations don't have elevators or escalators. Only certain stations do, and I have no idea which ones do. I decided to just book an Uber back. Price ranges anywhere from like $60 to 100. My Uber's coming in a couple more minutes, so because yeah, it's definitely crowded even though it's like mid-December now, but it still does get crowded, so expect crowds. You're definitely gonna walk a lot. Don't regret making the decision of visiting. And with that, I say bye to New York for now because I'll definitely be coming back. And thank you all for watching my video. I'll see you guys on my next adventure. Bye.